Ethnic Classification and Distribution of Indian Population. Based on H. H. Risley's classification. Welcome to Anthronet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Stay till the end of the video to know important books related to this topic or check the description box for link. Introduction to H. H. Risley. Herbert Hope Risley, 1851 to 1911, was a British ethnologist and colonial administrator. He classified Indian people based on physical characteristics, particularly nasal index. His classification was published in The People of India, 1908. The classification aimed to establish racial categories in India. It has been widely debated for its colonial bias. Risley's ethnic classification. Risley divided Indians into 7 racial types. These types were based on anthropometric data, especially nasal index. The classification reflected colonial racial theories. His study influenced administrative policies in British India. Modern anthropology criticized this classification as simplistic. 7 racial types identified by Risley. Dravidian type, found in South India, darker complexion, broad nose. Indo-Aryan type, Northern India, fair complexion, long nose. Mongoloid type, Northeast India, East Asian features. Aryo-Dravidian type, found in Central India, mixed features. Mongolo-Dravidian type, found in Eastern India, mixed Mongoloid and Dravidian traits. Scytho-Dravidian type, found in Western India, a mix of Scythian and Dravidian features. Turanian type, found in Central India and some tribal regions. Criticism and modern perspective. Modern anthropology rejects racial classification based on physical traits. Risley's study was influenced by colonial ideologies. Genetic research shows that Indian populations are highly mixed. Social and cultural diversity is more significant than racial divisions. Anthropologists now focus on linguistic and ethnic diversity instead. Conclusion. H. H. Risley's classification was an early attempt at understanding diversity. It played a role in colonial governance and the caste system. Modern anthropology considers race a social construct rather than a biological one. India's diversity is better understood through genetics, linguistics, and culture. The study of ethnic groups continues to evolve with new research. Important books by H. H. Risley. The People of India, 1908, H. H. Risley. Risley's most famous work, where he classifies Indian ethnic groups based on nasal index and other physical features. Tribes and Castes of Bengal, 1891, H. H. Risley. A detailed ethnographic survey of Bengal, covering various castes and tribes. Books on Indian ethnicity and anthropology. Racial Types in India, B. S. Guha. A later study expanding on Risley's work, providing a more refined racial classification of India. Indian Anthropology, Nadeem Hasnain. Covers key anthropological studies on Indian society, including racial and ethnic classifications. The History and Culture of the Indian People, Wall. I. The Vedic Age, R. C. Majumdar. Discusses the early ethnic composition of India, including Indo-Aryan migration. The Tribal Culture of India, L. P. Vidyarthi. Explores the diversity of India's tribal populations and their classification. Genetics and the Aryan Debate, G. N. Jha and David Reich. Discusses modern genetic findings that challenge early racial theories like Risley's. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.